विद पंजाब पैलेस। ऐसा लग नहीं रहा है कि मैं लंदन में हूँ। एंड यू गेट 10 pounds. This is for 10 pounds, around 1000-1200. Yeah, feels like we are in India.
But according to me, student life is very tough.
Very tough. Samosas. Junction. It's really nice. Balaji is also there. Is breaded prawn. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Samreen Sheikh. I hope you all are doing well. So right now it's 9:22 a.m. in the morning and I all dressed up. You guys must have noticing I'm wearing the same jacket and stuff like that because I'm stuck in London. It's my 9th day in London because of this Iraq and Iran thing. And yeah, yesterday I was in my room only doing nothing, feeling very bored and feeling very homesick. So today we have decided to go and visit Mini India in London. So there's a place called in London Southall, and it's in London. It's, I think so, for like if I'll take a bus, it will take us 40 minutes to reach there. Over there you'll find the locality, it's like all of the Indian peoples, they live there, Punjabi peoples and everyone. And even the signboards over there, they have written in Hindi and in Punjabi. So you just guess it, like how many Indians they live there. And there's so many shops, like you'll get the jalebi, you'll get the pani puri and stuff like that. So I was kind of missing Indian charts and Indian food. So we have decided to go and visit and see what is there. So come with me to see the Mini India in London. Let's go.
अच्छा है, अच्छा नहीं लगा।
Such a sweet man.
Became like a vacation for us.
हाँ, वैकेशन भी हो गया आपका भी, सही है, होना चाहिए। कोई नहीं, अच्छा से जाइए, अच्छा से अपना ख्याल रखिए, ठीक है? ओके, थैंक यू।
Today's weather is like very cold. See, it's not visible in camera, but then trust me, smoke आ रहा है. Now we are heading towards the bus stop and 10 minutes walking from here. वैसे हमारे होटल के सामने वाला भी है, but we are taking bus number 105 and traveling with bus. It's like way cheaper than tube and metro. It is 1.75 if you tap once, and then within an hour if you travel more with a bus, आपका पैसा नहीं कटेगा. After 1 hour तब आप tap करोगे again, तब होगा कटेगा. So yeah, it's way cheaper than tube and metro traveling with bus. This is finally here. खोल के let's go. मेरा लिया है. Thank you.
Are we going out?
You see there's Gurdwara. We are almost reached.
Oh yes. We are in Southall.
Shri Guru Ravidas Temple. Oh, it's a temple. Okay, it's a temple. No, it's a Gurudwara. It's a Gurudwara. Punjabi language. Awesome.
Alright, I think we.
You guys can see Sira Superstore, Zahid Foods, Sanjeev Jewelers, and yeah, and this is, I think so, temple. Yeah, this is temple here. Sira Superstore. This is the locality. Over there, Punjab Palace. Welcome to Punjab Palace, it says. Delhi Wala, pure vegetarian restaurant. Guys, we have reached in Southall and you can see it's so crowded. And you can literally see, it's very crowded because we Indian people, we can't stay at home. We want to roam out, we want to go out, visit. So yeah, this is so crowded. Everyone is doing shopping, buying something or the other things. Yeah, so many restaurants over here and so many gurdwaras, temples are here. Oh my god, there's Jutti also there. There's Jutti In London. Juttis are here. How much it is for?
£10.
This is for £10, around 1,000, 1,200, yeah? Cool. Oh my god. ऐसा लग नहीं रहा है कि मैं लंदन में हूँ. And you'll get jewelries, Indian jhumkas. See, so many varieties. See, £1 each. So these are the bracelets or anklets. Yeah, these are anklets. ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं चांदनी चौक, दिल्ली के चांदनी चौक में हूँ. Guys, ऐसा नहीं लग रहा कि हम दिल्ली के चांदनी चौक में हैं. ऐसा लग रहा है हम दिल्ली के चांदनी चौक में हैं. Feels like we are in India. Nice. Oh my god, is it a chaat? Oh, you'll get momos here. Guys, you'll get momos here, pakora here. And samosa, pakora, everything.
Samosa, we've got street food here. Let's
Yes.
Momo.
If you want to have some more, if you want to have jalebi, there is Jalebi Junction on that side. Or you'll have to take a left.
Okay, let's have momos. How much it is?
Yeah, we'll have momos. Let's try.
How much is veg?
Oh, okay.
Can you
Yeah.
give us one? One portion? Yes, one portion. Veg momos?
Fried or the steam one? Which one you want? Steam.
And it's veg, right? No, both are
They have both.
Veg. Vegetarian.
Vlogging. Yes, hers is Priya Sharma, mine is some brain shake. Yes. How is it like, living in London?
Tough for
Pretty
the
much
students.
tough for the students. Yeah.
According to me, it's very good to have a good job.
Good job.
Good job. And people who would like to explore the London, they would love to have. But according to me, student life is very tough.
Very tough, no?
If you don't have a proper job.
Proper job because it's very expensive here in
South
London.
It's very tough to get a job.
Oh, okay.
Maybe in other city you will easily get job, but in South
In South Hall it's difficult. Yeah.
Studying here or
studying MSc Management.
Okay, so your family is not from
No,
London.
I'm from India.
Okay, you're from India.
I
Oh,
came
you're living alone here?
Yeah, with my roommate.
Okay, okay.
She's my roommate. She's my also job mate and classmate. Everything. She will come at 2 p.m.
Okay. Okay.
If you were there, you will come and meet.
Okay. तो आपको हिंदी तो आती है?
मेरी हिंदी अड़ जाएगी.
अच्छा, आप प्रॉपर्टी लाइक यू फ्रॉम पंजाब प्रॉपर, राइट?
ओके. मैं हिंदी बोलती हूँ.
ओके, आप हिंदी
मेरी
बोलते हो.
हिंदी में एक्सेंट थोड़ा बेकार हो जाता है. बट
अच्छा.
बट एक होता है ना कि बोल लेती हूँ, इतनी नहीं, क्योंकि मेरे रूममेट हिंदू है ना.
अच्छा.
तो उसके साथ बोलते बोलते मैं थोड़ा सा
नहीं, अच्छा बोल रहे हो.
यार पता क्या है, यहाँ पे फिर भी पंजाबी एक्सेंट निकल जाता है.
हाँ.
मैं कह रही हूँ ना, बोलते बोलते फिर पंजाबी आ जाता है.
Thank you so much, Jesse. Thank you. Samosas. Samosas. Let's try some samosas. May I?
yes, please.
This is the green chili and this is the tamarind chili. Wow.
It's nice.
It is nice. Guys, it is nice. Like, it is giving that authentic Indian flavor. Really nice. Let's try some momos. It's a veg momos. It's good. Nice.
Just tap it.
It's for 4.50 for
For non-veg.
non-veg. Okay. I'm sorry.
नहीं चक रहा. मे बी ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਚੱਕਿਆ.
It's fine. I'll take momos. It's hot.
It's good.
Like the non-veg
Hello?
instead of veg.
Thank you.
Gurdwara in South Hall. Prasad. Again, chaat. You'll get Indian outfits too in here.
नोट यार बड़े
अच्छा अच्छा. Indian lehengas. Jewelry shop. बस जलेबी जंक्शन एंड देन उसके बाजू में कड़क चाय.
तो ये बोल सकती
बोला-
है ना मैंने मांगा
मैंने
ही
ना-
नहीं था इतना सिंपल.
मैंने बोला था जस्ट 2-3 pieces. बोला ना मैंने.
अरे हम लोग पूछ ही रहे थे पूरा भर के.
So Jassi, she recommended us that Nazim biryani is apparently really nice. So now we are going there to have Nazim biryani. So नज़ीम बिरयानी बंद था, इस वजह से मैंने उसके बाजू में ये बिरयानी शॉप थी तो मैं वहाँ आ गई. अब वो खा रही हूँ. It's really nice. Let me just enjoy my biryani. The portion was too much, but the chicken biryani was really nice. I mean, तीखा नहीं था, but then yeah, the flavors were there. It was really nice. This shop, a supermarket, you can find all of the Indian bakery items. खारी हो गया, toast हो गए, बटर है इनके पास. ये है Balaji is also there. Ching's here also. Ching's. Yippee. This is not Yippee, this is Yippee.
बड़ी तेजी से इधर कैसे आ गए?
Yippee. So now we are going back to our hotel and yes, we enjoyed. We saw so many things, like, you know, this locality is like full Indian. She's watching me. Yeah, this locality is like people are living like mostly Indian. Like it's Indian only, I feel. Yeah, and then there's so many shops, Indian shops, and then I met a really lovely lady today. Just say she is 23 years old only, and yeah, she's studying here and then working at the same time. मतलब ये बहुत बड़ी बात है, you know. And now we are going hotel, and मैं वहाँ जाके आपसे बात करती हूँ. We are finally back in our hotel and we ordered food now again, yeah, because we are hungry now. It is around 6 p.m. So yeah, we just ordered some snack, so we'll have that and then उसके बाद में हम room में जाएंगे. So this is my hotel. Yes, this is the snack which I have ordered. This is breaded prawns with some rockets on top. Let's try.
So good.
Hello guys, I'm back in my room and I have some good news for you. हमारा कल फ़्लाइट लग चुका है एंड हम कल जा रहे हैं, इवन कैप्टन्स भी आ गए हैं यहाँ पर. सो या आज मेरा 9th डे था लंदन में एंड ये होटल से ज़्यादा घर जैसे बन चुका है. एंड आई रियली वांट टू थैंक to the staff. You know, they take really good care of us. They made sure that, you know, जो भी हमें चाहिए हमें वो मिले. And they are very sweet. Even the chef, every day the chef used to, you know, make different Indian food for us. And so that हम homesick ना हो, हम घर का खाना ना miss कर पाए. And staff is like very calm, really nice. Whatever, you know, we want, they give us on time and everything. And staff भी ऐसे हो चुके हैं ना, अभी हमें उनके नाम याद हो चुके हैं, उन्हें हमारे नाम याद हो चुके हैं, रूम नंबर याद हो चुके हैं, you know. Yeah, I really want to thank each one of them. Thanks to Gulshan, thanks to Freddie. Thank you so much for taking such a good care of us. And finally we are going home tomorrow, hoping for the best. Yeah, hoping. And yeah, I'm just today I was not feeling good that much, you know. I was feeling little off. I think so you guys must have noticed or not, but yeah, I was feeling a little off. Yeah, I was just missing my home, missing my people, and but I got the news that we are going, so I'm happy. So I mean, I was feeling down. That's the reason, you know, we decided to go and visit Mini India in London, and it was really nice experience there too. We get to try so many Indian foods which we were missing. We tried samosa, we tried momos, I tried chicken momos, and we tried jalebi too, and I tried chicken biryani. So yeah, आप कुछ भी कर लो, you know, आप कहीं भी चले जाओ दुनिया में, आप रह लो, but then still आपका जो रूट है, you know, where you belong, you will going to miss it. And yeah, I was missing. I don't know, I'm feeling little overwhelmed right now. I don't know why, I'm just crying, yeah. But then, yes, yeah, finally we are going and I am happy. I know मैं show नहीं कर पाती हूँ, that, you know, I don't know why I'm crying, guys. Okay, just give me 2 minutes. Yes, I'm back. Yeah, I don't know why, I'm just okay, yeah. So yeah, the good news is we are going tomorrow. Yes. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you find it boring, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry if you find it boring. I tried my best, and I hope you guys will support me, and I will continue to make good vlogs. Okay, thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.
किसी के पास में जगह है